Ever thought your AI could run Spark code like a pro data engineer? In this demo, we'll see how Gemini CLI talks to a PySpark MCP server using just one simple command prompt. Our MCP server reads directly from a local path, no manual Spark sessions, no stress. It's fully automated. The server runs your Spark job and returns results in seconds. And just like that, we get the schema and a snapshot of our data. In this example, the Gemini prompt says, "Read this path, customer, and show the schema and data." And instantly, our MCP server springs into action. It connects to PySpark, reads the Parquet file, and sends back both. The schema and a snapshot of the data is beautifully printed in the terminal. That's it. No manual Spark setup, no long code. Just one intelligent prompt, and boom, data unlocked. This is the future of AI-assisted analytics. MCP plus PySpark plus Gemini CLI, the ultimate trio for data automation. Follow for more data wizardry right here on Big Datapedia, where data meets AI.